Excuse me, sir. Are you aware that your left eye is a camera? Yeah, it turns out the left eye is a camera after all. It's an FPV camera, very small one. I chopped the pilot's head, put in the Caddx ANT, mounted it on a servo with some extra gears to make sure that the travel of the servo was increased, and then we mounted it in the plane. Plane is an old Piper Pawnee from e-flite with an upgraded motor, and it's old. It was about to be trashed by a club member, but it was saved, and yeah, this is the flight footage. Enjoy. The camera is an analog FPV camera, that's why the quality is a bit crap, but there is a pan gimbal, so you can look left and right, about 90 degrees to left, 90 degrees to the right. I do this manually. I have no head tracking at the moment. It is done with a slider on my radio. Works pretty well, but yeah, I can still optimize a bit how it works. But so far I'm happy. Enjoy.